What's a Big Mac like in 2025? Stay around and I'll also show you a trick to get a Big Mac for £3 only. Here's the first look at our meal, our Big Mac meal, I should say. And here's the bun on top, the patty, the stuff like the fillet, the other fillet. It's interesting how in the Big Mac, like they don't actually have anything on top. It's just the fillet on top and the bun. Yeah, I've got some fries, mayo sauce, curry sauce, an apple pie, a toffee one, and hot chocolate. Yeah, I like hot chocolate. And I'm gonna pour it in there, and voila, this is my perfect meal. Yeah, I like to move over like the stuff over there. Yeah, and I can't wait to get started testing this. Now let's go for the Big Mac itself. Just look at that. A big burger, two fillets, uh, a bread between, and lettuce, the cheese, all of that stuff, all put perfectly together. And I am going for a bite right now. Wow, just look at that. Everything melts perfectly, and the special Big Mac sauce, that is what gives it the flavor. Although in this burger, the pickle itself was towards the end, so I didn't really get that taste. But again, it was so good. You can really feel how great it was. Again, I'm gonna go for another bite, and again, it's really good. Like it's all mixes in together perfectly. And just look at that. It is actually a really large burger. And my first and second tastes were successful, dare I say. Yep, amazing. Okay, so I've had a taste now and I'm gonna go for another bite. But yeah, it actually is a really good burger and they give a huge portion on it. I know, despite it's actually one of the few things that has survived shrinkflation. Yep, shrinkflation. It actually is. It's still pretty big, although it's expensive. Like a Big Mac now costs like £6 or £5 in the UK, and that's completely insane. Like I remember a few years back when I got here, it used to only cost £3. £6 for a Big Mac. Wow. And the burger's almost done. It's pretty good. Yeah, let's have a really close look. Yeah, we have the patty. There's the pickle thing, like I said earlier, and you can see like the second bread in between. Again, another beef patty, the cheese as well underneath, and the cheese sauce. So yeah, it's a pretty good mix of everything in there. Yeah, it was really great actually. Yeah, it's kind of interesting with the Big Mac. They always add in a lot of lettuce and it always gets thrown away. But yeah, this is what's left of my Big Mac. And okay, let's go for a snack and let's try the curry sauce. Just look at that curry sauce. I love a good curry sauce in the UK. Like if you're not in the UK and if you ever visit, try the curry sauce here. It's really one of the great neat things about that. And it has a curry flavor to it. There's no other way to describe it. It's quite rich, but it's not overwhelming. And the sweet and sour sauce as well is really great. Again, it has a nice taste to it that's light and sweet, but isn't so bad. So it really gives you that extra flavor. I just love the McDonald's fries. They're always so crunchy, always so great. Yeah, I just love them. The toffee apple review is coming right up. Okay, here is the toffee apple review, and this thing is overpriced from the get-go. It only costs £2.30, and just look at how small it is. I did struggle a bit to get it out of the box, but just a second. Here's a magic trick for you. Yeah, don't let the pictures fool you. It is actually really small, and it has a doughy taste to it. You can see the apple latte inside just in a sec, but yeah, that's how it looks. Again, I'm gonna go for a quick taste. Again, it has a chocolatey doughy toast taste to it. There's a little bit of toffee in there, but you don't really feel it or see it. So yeah, it's more chocolatey dough than actual like toffee basically. But yeah, that was it, and I don't recommend this one because it is too expensive. So yeah, that's and this is my hot chocolate. So yeah, that's my review of this toffee apple. To get a Big Mac for £3 only with fries, just get your receipt, put in the code that you see in there to the link on the website.